Hi, I'm Jack from Crewe Volkswagen and I'm going to show you around this approved used Volkswagen. This is the T-Cross R-Line, finished in a lovely deep black pearlescent paint, and it features a 1 litre TSI petrol engine producing 115 PS with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. You'll have peace of mind motoring of this vehicle with a full Volkswagen service history and also the approved use benefits which I'll mention at the end of this video. Just starting off with the front, you've got full LED headlights providing fantastic vision in all conditions. And running down the side of the vehicle, you've got his lovely 18-inch diamond cut Nevada alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with optionally fitted folding mirrors which are also heated, and privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards. You have a generous amount of boot space available as well, with the adjustable boot floor currently in its lowest setting, with split folding seats, so plenty of room there for your weekly shop plus much more. Moving inside, you get the signature R-Line upholstery with a park cloth, leather and Alcantara seats. There's also a couple of USB ports in the back for your rear passengers to charge their devices. And at the front of the vehicle you benefit from a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel and also a centre armrest keeping you nice and comfortable on the road at all times. Alongside digital radio and multiple media functions such as your Bluetooth, you'll also benefit from the brilliant App Connect system which will give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. And to help with parking, you've got front and rear parking sensors. There's also optionally fitted park assist as well, and the optionally fitted drive mode select, giving you a sport setting for a more dynamic drive. A little bit further down the cabin, you've got jaws and climate control, as well as a couple of USB ports with a little bit of storage just below there, and also optionally fitted mobile wireless charging. You've also got the optionally fitted keyless entry and start there as well. This vehicle comes with 2 years warranty, 2-year roadside assistance, as well as much more. If you need any more information, please call us on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.